Fuck that rap. Hallo mina byxor!
Now let's get it all in perspective. For all y'all enjoyment, a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro. Only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the vest, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for white meat. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We could drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I've been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Through the Smurf, through the Wop baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? This ain't rapping, this is street hop. Now get up off your ass like your seat's hot. My live niggas lit up the reefer. Trunk of the car, we got the street sweeper. Don't start none, won't be none. No reason for your mans to panic. You don't wanna see no ambulances. Knock a pimp's drink down in his pimp cup. That's the way you get Timberland up. Let the music diffuse all attention. Baller convention, free admission. Hustlers, dealers, and killers can move swift. Girls get close, you can feel where the tools kept. All my just coming homies, parolees. Get money, leave the beef alone slowly. Get out my face, you people so phony. Pull out my waist, the Eagle 440. They shooting.
Yo, I've been rhyming since my daddy's dick first got wet. Kicked a hole in the womb of my mother, then I jet back to the scene of the crime. A true mastermind, I'll never do time.
Nah, but I do watch my watch till the second hand stop, till the bars close down and the records can't drop. Piss drunk in the parking lot, speaking dumb. Gun all sticky from the Puerto Rican rum.
I keep it real like the 80s when we flooded the block. Stick up kids went from bass heads to sucking the cock. The hottest bitch in my projects discovered the rock. A year later had the monster climbing out of a twat.
This is a stick up. I told you you could reach for the sky. Fuck a chip off the brick or the piece of the pie. The worst thing they did to the kid was leave him alive. Now I'm ruthless, moving with the reason to die.
The trees got me so high, kid, sniff your next line. My culture's refined, I'm heavy on the grind. I'm hard in the paint, my Uzi weighs a kilo. I'll smack you in the face and crack your head like CeeLo.
It's a fact, homie, eagles don't roam in flocks. But the eagles that I gotta put a hole in your top. So predictable, I'm already knowing your plot. It happens so fast, you won't even know that you're shot.
Until the concrete's painted with pain. Cause you being dead's the only way they'll ever say you were slain. Black Scully, black bandana, and black coat. With a cult leader in the house of pain.
You already know what it is. The pimp, the sniff, and the oh shit. That ain't Dandruff, homeboy. Hell no, that ain't Dandruff.
All together now.
That's coke.
All together now.
That's coke. That's coke.
Rätt good har det, där ligger där.